Any questions or comments so far, or are you good?
I think I'm good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to the upper body now. Okay.
Okay.
We're actually going to stay on the floor. And
Okay.
we're gonna do a couple of upper body exercises. The first one is gonna be about abdominals, and then we're gonna do one that is gonna be more for your shoulders and your lats. So what you wanna do is lie down and place your feet on the ground, and slide towards me a little bit more. Yeah, so I can have you. That's perfect. And your hands are gonna be right behind your neck. We're gonna do just some abdominal exercises. This is always optional. You can always have a ball and keep using the inner thigh. For people that have actually knee issues, this is a great way to protect the knees from any more pain or increasing that issue. So I will keep that as much as possible if you have it. And what you're gonna do is do a little pelvic tilt, yeah? And then from here, you're gonna be crunching forward, but instead of thinking about going forward, you're gonna think about bringing your chest to the ceiling. So just think about that and go for it. When you're ready, you're just gonna come up. Yep, that's it. And then slowly coming down. So your neck and shoulders are completely relaxed. Everything we're working here is just the abdominals and just the abdominal wall. Yeah. And without relaxing when you get to the bottom. So a way to work the abdominals, very simple. You don't need anything else but just your body and the floor and a yoga mat. I encourage you to not try to lift yourself up, but to think about bringing the chest as close to the ceiling as you can. It's more about opening the chest than it is about curling your abdominals and your low back. Good. Keep opening the chest and coming up to the ceiling, and see if you can go slowly, burning the abdominals now. Good.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling it.
Save a little bit of energy because we have 2 other ways to demonstrate how the abdominal work is done. So good. Come up again. That's great. And we'll just do 3 more times. We're just warming up the abdominals now. So all the way up to the ceiling with your chest. Think of keeping the elbows open. Yeah, good. Last 2. Your arms are just supporting your neck and your shoulders. And one more time. Good. And you can relax at the end. Okay, nice, nice.